Hello and welcome to our video. My name is Shaitan, and in this video we'll look at a very interesting feature of JD Builder that's called global settings or global options. A feature that gives you more control over the styling of your elements within JD Builder, but at the same time make sure you don't have to do a lot of repeatable work. To demo this, I will go ahead and add two headings on my page. All right, and I'll just call this heading 1. And I'll add another one. And we will call this heading 2. All right, let's save it and see what the page looks like. So this, by default, we have the gray blackish color, which is the template color for any heading. Now this is a H3 in this case, which is the default heading for JD Builder. Now, if you want to change colors for this heading, there are a couple of options. You can go ahead, number one, obviously you can do it on a template level, change the color there, but then it also changes the color everywhere else on your website, like article listings or whatever. So the second option is obviously change it on an element level in JD Builder, but then you have to do it again and again. For every element, you have to change the color. And the third option is to do it on a page level. We'll obviously look at all these options. So I'm just saying what available options we are and what the possible solution is. On a page level in JD Builder, but that obviously limits it to a page within JD Builder. So if you do a separate page, you have to set up these colors again. The last option is what we'll be looking at this video, which is global options, setting a heading color globally so it's valid throughout all the JD Builder pages on your website. And let me show you how that works. So we go to options and layout global options and base settings. So this is accessible within any page, but these are not these page options, these are global options. So you're able to set all these colors here and all the typography for all the headings and body. And then there's obviously a component setting here as well. Let's do it for our heading and we'll just see how that works. So I'll go ahead and change it to this bright red color. All right, let's refresh. And as you can see, both our headings turned red. Now this is globally. Every JD Builder page, heading 3 are now red. All right. The second option to override this is on a page level. So you go to options and global option, page options, settings, design, and H3. And then you can say, I want this actually to be blue. All right. And we save this. And as you can see, they are blue now. And to override this, the third level is the actual heading element level itself. So you go to design and you go to color. Oh, actually, you go back to design, general heading options, and the text color, you change it to this. Let's say we want to change it to this greenish color. All right, we'll save it. And you can see this is green. So the global options really give you control over the things that you're going to be using again and again, like headings, for instance, and set a typography that is valid throughout JD Builder. So you don't have to set this on an element or a section level again and again. And there are a few options here. So you obviously can set up default colors. Now these are the messages and alerts that appear with the alert element or the message element. So you can use these. Then you have the body typography, the default color for the paragraphs and anything that's not a heading, the link colors, the link mouse over color, and you obviously have the typography here where you can select the fonts and everything else. And again, this is a responsive setting, so not only you can do it for desktop, but you can do it for tablet and mobile as well. And after that, you have all the 6 heading colors. And then under components, this will be expanding in the future, but this is just the lightbox setting if you want to turn on lightbox by default. Now, lightbox is something we recently introduced, and the way it works is any image can now be turned into a lightbox. So let me go ahead and demo this as well. So we'll go ahead and insert an image here. All right, and let's go ahead and select an image here. So we'll say Pixabay 2020 0323 and this image, for instance. All right, and you can see the minute I select link media file, it says Lightbox default yes or no, and the default is the setting it uses from the global options. Now by default I have it turned on, and what would happen is when I click this, it will open in the Lightbox with the colors and everything I have selected there. All right, so this can really save you a lot of time as far as not setting these options again and again on a page or element level, but setting them once and for all and reuse these throughout the JD Builder page creation or template creation. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use global options. Please head on to our forum at joomdev.com/forum if you have any questions at all, and we are available around the clock. Thanks for watching.